Dah.
Okay.
Dah.
Ya.
Bismillah.
Terima kasih kepada
Assalamualaikum.
kumpulan yang pertama untuk hari ini. I welcome you all. Okay. Grup Muhammad Hafiz Azmir bin Muhammad Saad, Muhammad
Ada.
Khair
Berhenti.
dan juga Aiman Siddiq. So, selamat membentang untuk presentation 2. So, mulakan, perkenalkan diri, okay, dan terus present.
Okay. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum. Kami daripada grup DET 1C. Grup saya Muhammad Hafiz Azmir bin Ahmad Saad, Aiman Siddiq bin Zaidi dan Muhammad Khair bin Razali. Hari ini kami nak bentangkan tentang vektor. Sebelum ke soalan, saya nak terangkan apa tu vektor. Tapi bahasa Inggeris kan. Vector is the term which is used in mathematics, engineering and most importantly physics, where it is defined as the object that has magnitude, length as well as the direction, where variation calculation are made according to the rules followed by vector algebra. Some prominent examples of vector include various quantities such as the distance, speed, displacement, force, mass, momentum, energy, power, acceleration. The main thing to note here is that only those quantities add up as the vector quantity, which has both the magnitude as well as the direction. The question.
Thank you to the brother Hafiz. And now we are going to the question 1, which is question A. The question sounds like a roller coaster moved 16 meters from point A, 3-1 horizontally to the west and then travel 85 meters from point B, -3-4 to the north. Show the vector diagram for the move and calculate I Roman, the magnitude and direction of the total displacement, two Roman, the angle between A and B. We move to the question number A. We have to find magnitude, which is the formula for magnitude is square root y square plus x square. For the question, we can conclude that square root 85 square plus 16 square, we got 104.04 meter northwest. And then we have to find the angle between A and B, which is using a formula tan, shift tan y divided x, which is we got shift tan 85 divided 16, so we get the answer for angle is 54.878 degrees. And for direction of this total displacement is 104.04 meter and 15.78 degrees. And then we move to the next question is question A2 Roman, which is angle between A and B. For this question, we have to use the formula that has given in this slide is tan, shift tan y divided x, which is tan shift tan 85 divided 16. So the answer we get angle between A and B is 15.478 degrees. And then we move to the next question is question B. And the question sounds like given that P equal to 4i plus 2j plus 3k and Q I minus 3j plus tk, and find q dot in the bracket 2p plus q. So from the slide, we can assume that there is a bracket in this question. And in the conclusion, we have to answer the question that have the conclusion that has the bracket first, and then the question that in the bracket is sounds like 2p plus q. So we have to solving the in the bracket first. So 2p, which is 4i plus 2k plus 3k plus q, which that q is I minus 3j plus tk. So after solving the question, we got that a equal to 9i plus j plus 9k. After solving the question inside the bracket, we have to move to the next question, that is q dot the answer before, which is a. So the answer we got, so the solving we have to do is q, which is that I minus 3j plus tk dot 9 on the question, on the answer before this 9 I plus j plus 9k. So the answer q dot a is 33. And thank you. And I move to the next slide, is give to the brother K.
Alright, thank you Aiman Sidi and Amir for the introduction and conclusion. For the calculation.
Exactly.
So the conclusion from this chapter is to know the direction in which the force is attempting to move the body. To know how the gravity exerts a force of attraction on a body to work. To calculate the motion of a body which is confined to a plane. To describe the force acting on a body simultaneously in the three dimensions. Vectors are used in engineering where of the force is much stronger than the structure will sustain, else it will collapse. In various oscillators, in various wave propagation like sound propagation, vibration propagation, AC wave propagation. They are used in quantum mechanics. The velocity in a part like fluid mechanics can be determined in terms of vector field. And lastly, they are also throughout in the general relativity. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's
And
all
now,
from
no,
me,
no.
Imam here, and okay.
And now we are like
From
to
your presentation,
sabar.
Aiman,
And now
anything?
we are like to
Not yet.
present
Ni,
input
teacher, not yet.
that have to ya, apa ni?
We have a video.
Sekejap
Oh, you
video.
like to show a video about the vector.
Video.
Okay.
And the
Videonya tak boleh buka pula.
saya buka saya. Ni,
Tak ada? Wait eh. Sound.
tapi bye je ke.
Tukar apa buat?
Thank you.
Please give a big clap to this group.
Thank you, thank you.
Please, everybody, give a
Thank you,
big clap.
thank you.
Okay, well done, everybody. Umar, Siti,
Ah,
and Muhammad Khair. Okay, I'm very
percaya
impressed for the
sikit.
first presentation. Okay, well done, my dear. Okay, very good, Aiman Siddiq. You have a good language in English. Okay, and both of you also. But you'll get a fluent English, Aiman Siddiq. Very good. Okay, so I would like to ask you something about your slide presentation on PowerPoint. Okay, so who did the PowerPoint presentation? The slide. Who did it? Aiman.
Can. Not
Aiman.
me.
Oh,
Not me.
Muhammad Khair.
yang PowerPoint Aiman.
Aiman.
Yang
Tak.
PowerPoint yang video tu.
Oh.
No. I
Oh.
think PowerPoint. That one is a
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint.
Oh,
Slide.
Oh, slide. Okay, saya.
Like,
Slide.
kamu.
Okay. Is it you, okay? You
Yeah,
did the PowerPoint slide?
yeah.
Okay, very good. Who did the PowerPoint?
Me.
Aiman. Okay, very good. Very good presentation. Well done. Very good preparation. Okay. Just that the Muhammad Khair, okay, your PowerPoint slide, you did a lot of spelling mistake. Spelling mistake. You can a lot spelling mistake.
Tunjukkan apa benda
Yes,
tadi.
yes.
That's why when you read your PowerPoint slides, okay, it is quite weird, when you simultaneous. Actually simultaneous, you get a wrong spelling. Okay, you said vector, the first word on vector, you get a wrong spelling. Okay, never mind. Okay, actually, you get a very powerful presentation for me. Because you did two presentation, which is PowerPoint slides and PowerPoint. Well done, my dear. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, we move to the next group. Well done.
Thank you.
Ya, terbaik.
Yeah, good night one.